So this is a quick how-to on the Sherex Rivet nut hand tool. This one's for 10 by 32. So you put your bolt through the machine and then thread it all the way on. And then you have your hole. In this case, it's 9/64. And I already have a hole on my bench, so I'm just going to use that as a guide, but you don't really need it. It just helps stabilize it. Then you just hold the bottom still, 7/8, and then turn the top clockwise. And it's going to pull that bottom up. When it gets hard, stop. Okay? You can keep going, but you're going to strip out your rivet nut. I did that once already, so you just tighten it up like that and then back it off. And then all we're doing now is taking the tool out of the so it's got a nice flat surface, and then you can see how it pulls it up inside the hole, and these grooves are what helps bind it in there. I'll do one more. So I did 3 plus 1 that I messed up. So my first one, I blew it. So I've only done 4. Here comes number 5. It's not that hard. It was just a little confusing reading these instructions, so I started looking for a video, and there wasn't one that I could find fast enough. So we got our tool loaded, and then just drop it through the hole. Again, I'm fortunate because I got this. So I guess if you were working on a truck body panel or something, get a shorter bolt and you won't have as much stick out. So like if you were inside and it was bumping up against something. But I start rambling from time to time. I'm probably going to edit all that out. I'll throw it at the end. So I've done 4. The first one I stripped out, so this is my 5th attempt. Just hold it. And we're going to turn it clockwise until it binds up pretty good. You can feel it when it starts to bind, okay? If you keep going, you're going to strip out the rivet nut. Don't want to do that again. So there we go. 4th one installed. This one's for a number 10 by 32. I'm making a little access cover for a truck part. It's going to work just fine. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.